Namaskar. Let us see the benefits of Chaturanga Dandasana, its contraindication and what it does in our body. Chaturanga Dandasana is also called as plank pose in English. This Chaturanga Dandasana, it strengthens our wrist joint, elbow joint, upper arms and shoulder joints. Its main benefit is core strengthening. It strengthens our core muscles and helps get rid of excessive fat deposition in that area. While we do this Chaturanga Dandasana, our plantar fascia, you can see this. Plantar fascia, it gets stretched while we do this Chaturanga Dandasana. So it is beneficial for people suffering from plantar fasciitis. For plantar fasciitis, there are separate set of asanas and practices. In them, one of this asana is Chaturanga Dandasana. So who should not do this asana? Surgery or injury related to the areas of wrist, elbows, shoulders, people who have tendency for shoulder dislocation, and people who suffering from hernia, umbilical hernia or hiatus hernia, uterine prolapse, rectal prolapse, they should not do this asana. And people having carpal tunnel syndrome and tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, they should avoid practicing this asana or should do with medical supervision, guidance of yoga Acharya, yoga professional. So this Chaturanga Dandasana looks so simple but has tremendous benefits. It is a practice to strengthen our overall body. So let's see how this practice is done. Namaskar. Now let's see how to do Chaturanga Dandasana. For Chaturanga Dandasana, we can take Vajrasana as our base position, or we can do it in standing pose from Padahastasana or from Parvatasana. Now let's see how to do this from seated position, which is Vajrasana. From Vajrasana, we have to take our hips upwards and slowly we have to place our both the palms in the ground. We have to separate our feet shoulder level distance apart, hands apart shoulder level distance. We have to balance our body weight evenly to the four limbs of our body in our Chaturanga Dandasana. Slowly lift our knees, that is, we are extending our knees. Now we gaze in front of us. Now slowly we relax our body and maintain this pose. This is Chaturanga Dandasana. Now in this pose, we should not leave our pelvis down nor held too upwards like in Parvatasana. We have to keep it straight like a stick. The body weight should be transferred evenly in the four limbs. This is the basic form of Chaturanga Dandasana. After learning this pose, we can slowly bend our elbows and go little downwards. Maintain this pose. Slowly come back. Come back in reverse order. This is Chaturanga Dandasana. After this pose, we can relax. While relaxing, we can take base position and relax, or take Savasana and relax. After this pose, if you feel pain in wrist joint, my master makes us do this. After practicing any of balancing asanas, we do this. We have to keep our hands like this 5 times clockwise, 5 times counterclockwise rotation. We have to fix this. This is known as, we do this for fixing. In chiropractic also, we do fixing and then do the movement. So it aligns this. Immediately we feel kind of freeness in our wrist joint and we again start the practice. Thank you. Have a nice day.